some young niggas that got rich off that Fetty walk. Way before this route, I was dropping peas on every block. Couple quarter burger to my daddy, tell him whip it paws. I'ma grab this fork and scratch his bowl like it got chicken paws. Ask about me, bitch, I send that shit across the whole state. Nigga, I remember times I was getting that shit the same day. Nigga, if it's working, better keep that shit the same way. When he get out of jail, make sure he dead the same day. Big truck, nigga, big bucks. I don't give a fuck, you bitch, fuck, nigga. Cause I'm up, better give her up. You can drop your shit off at the trap, I'ma whip it up. Niggas better not pull up to our trap, we gon' hit them up. 7 grams stuff in my wood, it ain't 420. Don't you tell me shit about no beef, I done sold plenty. I been in the city 20 minutes, and this sold 20. Remember niggas never liked the nigga, now they so friendly. Count up.